So, what's going down? I'm messing with some voice mods. This is weird. It's pretty cool though. So, these are OBS directly, Python. Hopefully it makes sense when I speak with a voice mod. I'm using straight Python. Hold on. And there's some issues, and I want to troubleshoot some live. Now, of course, I'm using a little bit of AI, right? But this is going to show you how AI needs people. AI really needs people. So, I don't know about this AI replacing human thing. I'm not an audio editor or have the ability to work with audio engineering, but I can read code.
And that's where we're going.
Oh. Go away with that. Alright. Regular voice. Yeah. I mean, deep voice. Yeah. Alright. So, I think that's good, right? You can see. Why? Yeah, okay. Maybe throw it up a little bigger. Right up. A little bit. Like that. Cool. We're good. We're good. Alright. So here's how it works. Well, first OBS, right? OBS has a section for scripts. You do have to link it to your Python space. So this is my Python space. Well, it's one of the three that I have. I have 2.7, 3.1, 1, and 3.12. I just dedicated 3.12 for Python on OBS. I dedicated 3.11 for AI stuff, because technically, most modules, TensorFlow, AudioCraft, a whole bunch. So many modules depend on the 3.11 installation. So I did a whole installation for the AI. But for this, straight Python, and here, you can kind of play around with some stuff, right? I can automatically position and move from between two different scales and positions. It's kind of like a zoom in, zoom out, like an animation live. I'm still playing around with some of these. So it really depends. Some of these are good. Let me see. Can I fade this out? Let me see. No, not like my J5. Toggle. Yeah, see? Boom. Boom. So, really cool to have automation within. Let me see what I said. What? No. I gotta modify some of these. Starburst. Whee! Okay. Alright. Push up. What? No. That's not it. That's not right. Uh-oh. Oh. I'm gone forever. Oh. That's great. Let's see what happened here. See? Sometimes it doesn't undo itself. Yeah. No. Uh-oh. What's going on? Where am I? I'm kind of here, right? But I'm not. Right? What the heck? Oh, positioning. Oh, dude, it threw me over here. Hold on. Nope, come back over here. Where did it throw me? Oh, that's an XY issue. Alright. So Z, you're way out of it. Hey. Alright. So, yeah, okay. You see the idea, right? Got some interesting animations. Ooh. Oh. And it's gonna throw me somewhere else, isn't it? Oh, there we are. That's good. That's good. Some of these are pretty smooth. Some of them are still, I'm messing around with. But this is the one. That's pretty cool. I decided to make a voice mod. And, well, voila.
I could be an air pilot, and this is
Captain speaking. Technically speaking, but not speaking very good. And we'll be landing in about 10-15 minutes. We'll see how the weather's like and if there's some clouds in the way of our landing.
Some of these just don't do anything. The AI gave me some filters, but they don't do much. So I gotta play with some numbers, see what I can do.
This one's not bad. I like this one a lot. But then it kind of sounds like Morgan Freeman was like getting abducted by someone for a ransom. Right? Yeah. Auto tune?
No, nothing. I thought it was gonna be something, but I gotta mess with this. I gotta kind of like fluctuate on the sine wave, throw in some sort of adjustment to the sound based on a sine algorithm or cosine or something.
Walkie-talkie is really loud. I don't like it. That walkie-talkie is horrible. Robot? AI? Robot? Tomo arigato, Mr. Roboto? I don't think I like this one.
This one has everything. I hate it because you can hear the AI put auto-tune somewhere in the echo.
So what it sounds to me is the AI decided to do echo, not as an echo, but a high pitch that I wanted here, an auto tune that I wanted here, and it decided to just pack it all in echo. I don't know what the heck it was thinking. I don't know. So I'm gonna go through the code, look a little bit. Again, I'm not an audio engineer, so I gotta figure out a little bit of how this functions. Start processing. This is just a plugin, right? Also, huge. If you play around with Python scripts in OBS, make sure you name these differently each time. So when you actually name voice mod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're giving OBS the ability to overlook past imports because it has a cache. So you can make some modification and then you didn't change the file name, and all of a sudden OBS uses the same version from last time, no changes, because it's using like a cached version. So you gotta literally update every time you make a modification. It sucks, it's annoying. But hey, version control, why not? So, let's see. Audio sources, input sources. So basically, where was it? Right here is a selection if a specific mode is affected or activated. I want to check echo. Echo's weird. Delay buffer. Why is there delay buffer? Delay samples. Like delay buffer. What's in delay buffer? Zeros. A bunch of zeros. Sampling rate times 0.24 echo effect. See? Okay. Fine. Fine. I'm not going to say anything yet. Echo effect. Fine. Apply echo. It's only for echo. Okay, good. So it's only an echo. Why is it doing weird echoes? Roll. Buffer. So empty roll delay buffer. Audio I. Length of audio. Throw in audio. So how does this function? Apply robot. Apply echo. Audio. Where's audio coming from? So this is audio is the actual audio stream. Is that true? Audio in data copy to avoid modification issues. In data. Where's in data coming from? Audio callback. Where's audio callback coming from? In data is the sample rate. In data, out data frames. In data, out data frames. No, hold on, that's not where it's coming from, is it? No, wait, what? Hold on. What? That's a weird function stuff happening. So the st.stream. st API overview. Convenience function to play and record numpy arrays. Record, play, wait, stop, get, stream. Stream. So try start processing. Comes from main. Is there a main? Where's it begin? No, there's no main because this is a script. This is getting imported. So start processing. Where's start processing starting? Let's kind of get the beginning of this script. Okay. The button. Button activates it. Give or take. Alright. So start processing runs. Global is running stream. Stream. Stream just empty variable is running just a true or false boolean. If it's not, okay, so it keeps track of whether it's running or not. Input device is none or output device is none. Error inputting or selecting input or output. Fine. Check to see if we have an input and output. Makes sense. Try is running true. So we begin the run, we create a stream, st.stream, audio callback, in data, out data, frame time status, function, callback callable optional. Users applied function to consume, process, or generate audio data in response to requests from an active stream. When a stream is running, port audio calls the stream callback periodically. Port audio, okay. The callback function is responsible for processing and filing input, output. Alright. If no callback is given, the stream will be open in block read mode. In blocking mode, the client can receive sample data using read and write sample data using write. So this is the beginning of the audio callback. You have a sample rate. See, but where are these being used? This is the only case. Alright. Sample rate. Okay. Channels 2. Max output channels. Fine. So really it's the callback function that's necessary to process the audio. Device input output. Okay. And then that's it. It should then automatically send the in data, out data, frames, time and status to these functions. Audio callback status. So listening or not listening. You take audio and data, okay. You copy the in data. Fine. This is the end of the array. Wait. Figure out lots of copies. Okay. Effect mode 1. Audio equals apply air pilot intercom. Okay. That's where the data goes. Right now I'm using low frequency, low pitch. Audio and sample rate. And what to do. Alright. Factor 0.7. Cool. NP.round. Okay. See, the factor here doesn't do anything for high pitch. Unless I'm not seeing it. NP round, range length audio factor. AS type. Oh, what is it? Oh, dude. Audio modifications in OBS. I don't get why this never updates my actual stuff. This is not for replacing the farmer. This is Python audio modification in OBS scripts. Normally the title should have everything you know. But for some reason, the title doesn't change when I tell it to change. Cool. So apply low pitch. This is the current audio modification you hear. I can't change it live, but I can change it here. Let's do like a 9. I'll do a 9. In fact, I kind of like this state. So I'm going to create a new. Now, I'm just going to copy this. Name this 17. That's a copy. 17. I'm going to take 162. Put in 17. Then make my modifications. And again, the reason I'm doing this is because OBS is going to have a cache of every single one of these. So it's going to have 162. If I update it and try to re-import it, no change is going to happen. I was farting around this for a long time. Okay. So 17. Go on 17. Let's stop it.
Testing? Alright. So now, low pitch, low pitch, low pitch, nothing. 0.9. Low pitch broke.
Because here, it's 07.
Here, it's 0.9. But nothing happened. Is it? Maybe? It's supposed to be. Hold on. Or just standard Microsoft Sound Mapper. That is currently the 5.5 headset. Desktop audio. What's this? I mean, the setup is the same, so it shouldn't be crazy.
Now, okay, we did something. So, under 0.8, the actual modification happens. What if I go really low? Testing. 0.5. What the hell? That's gonna sound like. Oh, let's see. What the? I don't even understand what I'm saying. It's hard. It's hard. Yeah, that was weird. Really low. So, weird. Okay. High pitch doesn't, again, do anything. If I go here, high pitch, nothing. Wait, hold on. Gotta stop here.
Testing? Testing. 1, 2. It feels the same. Nothing changed. But then, the small amount that I changed in high or low pitch I just need to change a number? Hello? Hello. Nothing. Nothing. Absolute nothing. Well, no, it's gonna make it pop. I've already tried going higher factor. Long audio, length long. Oh, way to preserve length. Clip the original length. Interesting. Indices, less than length, audio. I'm thinking of audio spectrum. In the audio spectrum, you cut certain frequencies with an array modification. That might be a case for some of these. When we cut length of an audio piece. Length to audio. Audio indices. Kind of want to play more game. More farming. Apply air power to intercom. That one's interesting. Random, normal. Audio plus noise. Signal buffer. Butter. Signal butter. Dang, you butter that. SOS output. Frame rate, sample rate. Man, maybe it kind of like smoothens out the audio. SOS filter? Is that a thing? Interesting. I have to adjust some to figure out how it works. Okay. So high pitch didn't do much. This changes like 2.5 until I break something. That's how you play. Change until you break. Testing. Testing. Nothing. What? 20. If this doesn't break something, I don't know if that thing doesn't work.
Testing? What the heck? What? I got muffled. Hello? What? This is cool. I mean, weird. But, weird. Okay. So, what? Erase audio. Faster. Faster. Indices. Tag indices. I got high pitch. I got this. Can I do that? That thing.
Well, that ironically made sense. How can you get anything larger than the original audio length? It just broke. So that makes sense. So I can change that. But hold on. High pitch.
Hello? I did something, but it doesn't sound high pitched. Share audio. It's the length of the share audio. So good.
I still prefer this. This was way better. Wow. Audio MP interpret XPX line space, linear space, right? Return evenly spaced numbers over a specified interval. Fine. 0 to the length of short audio. Short audio takes the indices of the length. How about length of audio? Less than length of audio, fine. But I remove the first half So, what if I remove length of audio times 0.5? That should adjust the indexes in there. Which in this case, hold on, order of operation would be fine. So that would at least potentially take half. I don't know if it's the first half or the second half. That's the problem. It'll take. Alright, hold on. If 100 subtract 50, it's going to take the first half. It's going to take the first initial half. If I want to take the second half, I have to start at 1.5. 150. 150. Oh, actually, no. We'll figure it out. Do it live. Okay. So that took the low frequencies. I want the high frequencies. So that's the second half. It makes sense. You go from low frequency 0.0001, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But also, 076 is broken. I can't use series 176. Okay. This is 01. That's why it's broken too. Let's make it here. Alright, I had the low pitch on real low. Okay, but that's fine. That was a 0.5. So, sounds like I'm in underwater or something. No, I could cheat, because I kind of started cheating. And I can use my grok modification. And just work with this, because I told it to refactor everything. To preserve length, interpret. This is the same crap I'm doing right now. Like, oh wait, hold on. No, it's not. It is actually the same crap. So I have to go all the way down to the new crap, the new AI slot, and see what other strategies he took. Apply echo, fine. Apply robot, okay. Walkie-talkie, not to fix that. Auto-tune, didn't seem similar. Low pitch, pitch shift. That might be a better way. Return to pitch shift audio. I mean, if it uses some extra libraries, fine. I'll take it. I don't care. I just want to get it done for this case. So, we're gonna make a new one. It's gonna be 1.8. And 1.8 is gonna be a new copy of the way that grok says to do it. But I'm gonna keep all the others, because maybe I want to mix them. That's the thing about AI. It may fix some stuff, and it may break other stuff. So keep everything, and then patch it in together. Alright, let's try.
Testing. No, nothing. What the hell is this crap? This did nothing. 5 semitones? Where are you getting this from? Pitch shift? Pitch shift. Alright. Where? Oh, okay. He made it into his own function. A crude method with resample. Time factor, speed. Because technically, it worked the other way. So, is it not enough? Give it an extra oomph. And then rename it. Wait, what? Okay. No. This ain't right. Testing. Wait. No. What? Okay. What the hell? Did it do something? Is it doing something? Break stuff. Ask questions later. We going in. Heavy numbers. Oh, that's right. Nope. Well, we broke stuff. Yep. 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 Nope. No? Okay, well, whatever. High pitch, low pitch, I'll figure it out with the other one. Auto tune. Nothing. Great. Walkie talkie. Yeah? Air pilot? Walkie talkie? Walkie talkie? Man? Robot? Robot. Hello. That just sounds like when I'm on the Zoom call and everything's going bad. Trying to do a session with a student, and they're like, "No, stop! You sound like a robot, or you're breaking." Okay. Absolute nothing worked here. I do like the way it's organizing stuff, but I don't like the script. I don't like the script.
This one, at least, has a beginning point. That's fine. I like this one. I don't like the... Okay, so let's see. Instead of having to force it to do everything at once, let's go to the last working case. Apply high pitch. I'm gonna grab this. The new method and the old methods don't work for high pitch. The new one even worse than the old. Can we revert back and improve on a way to... Let's see, what do we want to do? Isolate the high frequencies of an audio input and amplify them for high pitch. Low pitch works great. High pitch does nothing. Reconsider the format of the high pitch code. only. Also, you resampled certain waveform to raise pitch, then resample to original length. Yeah, I mean, I figured that's what high pitch was, right? And you can hear everything in this microphone. What the fuck? Alright, it's music. Think faster. Is it testing its own code? That's cool. Maybe instead of just pitch or make a high frequency voice. Yeah, oh, sine wave. Okay. Okay, let's test it this time. I need to tell it what to do exactly for each effect. Maybe it doesn't understand what high frequency is or funny high pitch voice. Like the Smurfs. That's stupid. Chipmunk! Oh, I did a chipmunk filter. Bang. As it perceives high pitch as a boosting high, but true pitch shift boosts to compensate. The tiny high pitch effect according to the time artifacts. I tried making like a chipmunk voice too. This one's dumb. Morgan Freeman one's completely useless. It's like an extra deep weird one. What's the difference? Same length factor as type int. Same indices. Same audio, but doesn't do. Yeah, that's the same. And it does length of beginning and okay. I think I'll have to do this way. This might actually do. I don't think so. But hey, worth a try. Let's do it now. Lost in the jungle. thing. Alright. Well. This doesn't do shit. Wait, hold on. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. No, just do this instead. Let's set this over. A whole new set of functions. Lost in the jungle.
Test. Testing. Nothing. Absolute crap. Alright. Testing. Low pitch is gone. No! See, this is the problem with AI. You tell it to do something, it doesn't fix it, and it breaks other stuff. Auto-tune? Absolute shit. Walkie-talkie? Still the same bullshit. Robot? Nothing changed. Oh. I don't even know what the hell's going on. So anyway, that's basically it. Me farting around with audio stuff that I have no idea what to do. I'm a codes guy. You know, logic. But I mean, when it comes to audio modifications, I'm clueless. So I'm gonna have to probably go dive into much more audio-based modifications. I might play games later. I don't know if I get distracted from programming, but I'm probably gonna be doing this for a little bit. Anyway, there's nothing for me to show forward. Check it out. This video kind of showcases how to modify scripts in Python for OBS. So you're able to essentially create your own audio modifications. High pitch doesn't work. Low pitch used to. Over here. Wait a minute.
It works in the old script. But again, AI fucks shit up. So I gotta go check out how to modify audio in Python. I'm not good at that part. I'm good at Python, not good at audio. So I gotta figure some stuff out. That's it. That's all I got.